Good morning guys, it's Phon-Er Gold. This is vlog 94 and we are in a beautiful day. It's summer 2017, summer as you already know. So it's still evening, right? We just got a call from a referral. It was this girl's boyfriend that pretty much broke his iPhone SE, which is the small iPhone 5 but the newest one. It's like the iPhone 6s model engine inside the iPhone 5 pretty much. So we got that. He lives in Beechwood, which is pretty like close to Hollywood Hills. It is Hollywood Hills actually, right on Franklin and Beechwood, just up the hills. So we're gonna right now go ahead there, and we're just gonna go ahead and find out how bad the phone is. He said he just shattered the whole front, but we'll see what happens. So coming with, so let's do this and show you how it's done. See you guys soon. Peace. Cut. See you soon. True fan. Hey guys, it's Phon-Er Gold. We just got here at Beechwood area, Hollywood Hills. We're here to do the iPhone SE as I told you guys earlier. So let's do this together. Peace. See you guys in there. Peace. Cut. I have to close your apps.
Oh yeah,
because yeah, when we disconnect the batteries on some apps, they actually work in the background, so that can cause the software to crash. So I just want to be safe.
Sure.
Just a procedure. Okay. Hey guys, we just finished this that iPhone SE that you just saw. It was the black iPhone SE, and now we are driving to our car. We have a possible job at this place called Arrowhone. I don't know if I pronounced it correctly. Kind of like a Whole Foods, but its own organic way. It's more cooler. It's in West Hollywood, so we'll see right now. When we get there. So we'll see right now when we get there, and I'm gonna call him before I go. He has iPhone 6 black that needs a battery and a screen. This guy literally, he's my friend, his name's LJ. He cracks his screen at least once every 2 months, or a month and a half. So this is like an ordinary thing for us to do. Okay guys, that's about it. We'll be back with more coverage of how the day unfolds and goes through. So see you guys soon in a second. Peace. Huh?
Everybody get your hands up.